In this video, Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer that doesn't require a pressure washer. Let's see how it stacks up, and is it really as easy as it sounds? Stick around and let's find out. In this video I'm going to be trying out Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer. The Polar Sprayer allows you to apply the Autoglym Polar Series quickly and easily without a pressure washer. Now, I have used the Polar collection with a pressure washer and with Autoglym's Polar Blaster. So it would be great to try this out without having to set up the clumsy pressure washer. If you haven't seen the Polar collection video, I drop a link in the description so you can go and have a look, or you can just go to my channel. But today my son has come to see me and I've just seen the state of his car. So I thought it might be a good idea to wash his car and try out the Polar Foam Sprayer at the same time. So with the sprayer I'm going to use Autoglym's Polar Wash to give it the test. Let's see how we get on. So let's work through the setting up and spraying instructions as we go. With the lid screwed on, pull the safety valve to ensure the device is depressurised. Unscrew the sprayer head by turning it anti-clockwise. Refer to the dilution instructions and fill the bottle to the required amount. To be honest, I struggled seeing the measuring marks, so I used a pen to mark the 1 litre mark, and also I measured the 50 ml of Polar Wash required in a measuring jug first. I'm using the Polar Wash, and it's recommended that you use 50 ml of Polar Wash to 1 litre of water. Screw tightly to close. Pressurise the device using the pump handle, approximately 15 pumps. For a good quality foam, it is important to pressurise until the valve clicks. To begin spraying, make sure the safety lock is off. And as you work from the top down, make sweeping passes and repressurise the device as necessary. Once you've finished, activate the safety lock and release the pressure by pulling the safety valve. Okay, that wasn't really what I was expecting. It looked like I didn't pump it enough to build up the pressure. So let's give it another go. Take 2. Okay, the second attempt was much better. Top tip,
more pumping needed.
let's take a closer look at the coverage. Okay, so what's my final thoughts on Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use, and the results. So based on my criteria, I'm going to give Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer a 7 out of 10. Would I use it instead of my pressure washer? Depends. It depends where you're washing your car. If you're washing your car where there's no access to electric or something like that, then the Polar Sprayer really does come into its own. But if you're at home and you've got your electrics and easy access to your hose pipe, then I would carry on using the pressure washer. But it does depend on, you know, where you actually are washing your car. But I'd like to know your thoughts on
Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer.
What's your thoughts on Autoglym's Polar Foam Sprayer? Have you used it? If you have, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, could you just hit the subscribe button? That'd be great. That would help the channel grow, and I would really appreciate it. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.